Hi guys, my name is Punit and I am a pen tester at Cognisis Group. And this video we are going to perform a phishing simulation against one of our employee. And he's Bradley. I'm coming after you, Bradley. Let's see if we can catch him or not. So this is the script I'm going to use and I'm going to send an email to Bradley. Let's see. Okay, it must have sent an email to Bradley. Let's see how he will interact with an email and what else we can get out of it. Let's see. Okay, let's see who's visiting our webpage. It's Bradley. Okay, let's wait for. Okay, we got the password. He's using password as password. That's not good, Bradley. I'll coming after you. So we finally got the password. So this is how phishing simulation works. We got the password, and that's the best thing. And if you want to make sure if your employees are protected against any type of social engineering attack, please visit our website. Thank you very much.